Quick question for Etsy sellers. You made the product. You made the sale. So why can one order still feel like a loss? CraftMargin Guard helps you see the money behind every listing. Estimate Etsy fees, payment fees, shipping, packaging, cost of goods, discounts, and off-site ads, then see the profit that remains. Planning a promotion. Test the discount and free shipping scenarios before a great deal quietly erases your margin. As you edit, catch missing details, thin descriptions, risky wording, and weak buyer keywords before shoppers do. Review your orders with practical margin estimates in view and export local summaries when you need them. Move faster while staying in control with seller-reviewed reply templates and optional AI drafts. You decide what gets sent every time. CraftMargin Guard is a smarter layer for your Etsy workflow. Local first data handling. Signed license activation. Start with free checks, then choose the plan that fits your shop. Protect the margin behind every order. Install CraftMargin Guard and turn everyday Etsy decisions into clearer, more confident actions.